You think you know when there's a spark between you and someone special. You might even feel the chemistry building up in every conversation, but sometimes that connection isn't as obvious as it seems. What if I told you that the signs of real chemistry can be subtle, and even the smallest things might be your brain's way of telling you you're more than just friends? In this video, we're going to uncover the 9 signs that show there's undeniable chemistry between you and someone else. Some of these signs might surprise you, and you may have missed them before. Make sure to stay with us until the end, because these signs might just change how you see your connection with someone, and maybe even help you take things to the next level. Welcome to a new video from a heart whisperer, Sui. If you're new here, subscribe for more content on love, relationships, and everything in between. And if you're ready to find out if that spark is real, let's get started. Number 1. Effortless communication. Ever had a conversation that just clicks? You know, the kind where time seems to slip away and everything else fades into the background? That's what it's like when you've got chemistry with someone. It feels like talking to a best friend. Easy, natural, and totally in sync. In these moments, you feel truly understood. Your thoughts flow freely, and there's no need to guard your words. You're not just chatting, you're really connecting. That effortless communication is more than just a sign of great chemistry. It's the foundation of a deep, meaningful relationship. It shows you're aligned on a deeper level, vibing in a way that feels almost unspoken. But here's the thing. Effortless communication doesn't mean everything is perfect. Relationships still take work and practice. But when you've got the chemistry, you're already off to a fantastic start. Number 2. Mutual mimicry. Have you ever noticed how you start to pick up on someone's quirks, their way of speaking, or even the gestures they make? It's not by chance. It's a subconscious bond that signals something deeper. When you have strong chemistry, you find yourselves naturally mirroring each other's movements or picking up on their phrases. It's like your minds are completely in sync, causing you to imitate each other without even thinking about it. This isn't just cute or funny, it's a powerful indicator of empathy. It shows that you're not only listening, but also connecting on a level that transcends words, as if you're in perfect harmony with each other. Number 3. Genuine concern for each other's well-being. When there's chemistry, their happiness becomes as important as your own. You celebrate their victories and feel their pain as if it's your own. It's not just about grand gestures either. It's the little things that show you truly care. Whether it's sending a good morning text or checking in after a tough day, these small acts of kindness speak volumes about the connection you share. True chemistry is built on mutual care and respect. A relationship that's deep and meaningful will always have that sense of empathy and compassion woven into its core. Number 4. You have mutual interests. Ever noticed how much easier it is to connect with someone when you both share the same sense of humor? It's like a secret language. When you both laugh at the same things, you feel an instant bond. This is a huge sign of mutual interest. When you can make each other laugh, it builds a sense of excitement about future interactions. You find yourself looking forward to seeing them again, even when you're apart. That desire to reconnect is the foundation of a strong relationship. When mutual interests are present, it creates that special spark that makes being around each other feel effortless. And over time, these shared passions can help strengthen your connection. Number 5. You're emotionally responsive and in tune. Emotional responsiveness is a key indicator of a strong connection. It shows that you're not just hearing each other, you're truly listening and understanding. When you're emotionally in tune, there's a natural flow to your interactions. You're both sensitive to each other's needs, and that creates a sense of emotional security. This level of attentiveness can make a huge difference in how you feel about each other. When both people are emotionally responsive, it deepens the bond, making each moment shared feel meaningful and supported. You're both there for each other in every way that counts. Number 6. You feel intimacy. Intimacy doesn't always mean physical attraction. It's about the emotional connection you share. When intimacy is present, you feel safe and comfortable opening up to one another. It's a combination of trust and vulnerability that creates a deep, unspoken connection. This is the kind of intimacy that makes you feel like no one else quite understands you in the same way. It's the ability to be truly yourself, knowing your partner accepts you completely. When intimacy is strong, you feel like you're in a relationship that's built on something deeper than just attraction. It's built on trust, understanding, and emotional closeness. Number 7. You share similar core values. It's often said that opposites attract, but when it comes to lasting relationships, shared core values are crucial. This means you both align on things like morals, beliefs, and life goals. These are the foundational aspects that guide how you live your lives. If you and your partner share these values, it helps create a deep sense of harmony. It's not about being identical in every way, but when your life's big picture goals are aligned, it creates a natural flow. People who are mismatched on core values often struggle because these differences are harder to change. So finding someone who shares your vision for life is a solid sign of strong chemistry. Number 8. You feel physical attraction. Of course, physical attraction is a key ingredient in chemistry. It's that magnetic pull, that physical desire that makes you want to be close to someone. It's not just about looks, it's about how you feel when you're around them. Physical attraction often fuels the desire to connect on a deeper level, especially when combined with emotional closeness. Interestingly, attraction isn't just about romantic partners. It can extend to friendships too, because people often meet their future partners through friends. When your friends find someone attractive, that can subconsciously boost the attraction between you and your romantic prospects. But whether it's physical attraction or emotional connection, it's that spark that tells you there's potential for something more. Number 9. In the end, trust is the real cornerstone of any relationship with great chemistry. When you trust someone, you know they'll keep their word, show up when they say they will, and support you no matter what. Trust is built over time through honesty, consistency, and reliability. It's the quiet foundation that keeps a relationship steady, even when life gets chaotic. Chemistry sparks attraction, but trust is what sustains it. It transforms a fleeting connection into something enduring, deep, and truly meaningful. So cherish that trust. It's invaluable. It's what makes chemistry not just exciting, but real and lasting. Conclusion. So, do you and your partner share these 9 signs of chemistry? If you do, then you're on the right track to building something meaningful and lasting. But even if some traits are still in the works, don't fret. Relationships evolve, and chemistry often deepens over time. The key is recognizing what makes your connection unique and appreciating the foundation you're building together. Whether it's the humor you share, the deep conversations, or the simple comfort of being together. These moments of connection are what truly matter. If sparks are flying, cherish that bond. And if you're still looking for your perfect match, remember, chemistry can happen when you least expect it. Stay open, be authentic, and trust that the right connection is out there waiting for you.